Alright, in this section we're going to talk about employee management feature. We're going to discuss different topics such as scheduling, meetings, and other stuff about employees. Okay, so let's get started by going into the employees section under My Teams. If we select the My Team, we're going to view a list of our teams. They have points under it. Each team is going to have different points based on their ratings from the repairs. So if we go to repairs, we can see the repairs that employee has created. You can see the tech damage, if they have damaged any devices. Alright, so here we're seeing the meetings. So when we create meetings for our employees, we can view all the meetings there. You can see the details of this meeting that we created. Alright, so let's create a new meeting. So here we're going to select which staff are going to be attending that meeting. Select a few. Alright, then let's just give it a date. And let's give it a time. Alright, so basically what's the subject? What is the meeting about? No sales meeting. And we could just leave some notes, basically more details on what are we going to be talking about. And how long is the meeting going to last? I'm going to submit. So that's the meeting that we just created. Alright, let's go to let's go to scheduling. This is an overview of the scheduling. This is an overview of the tech damage. And we here can add a new employee. Decide if it's a male, female, and we have different styles that we can add. We'll be adding more styles and even custom images later on. If you've unemployed any employee, you can go and view them and you can re-employ them. You have to update the plan if you already consumed all your employees. So let me just go to our employee management. We're going to select one of our employees and we're going to unemploy them. Once we unemploy an employee, they're going to lose access to the app, so they'll be logged out. So if we go to unemployed, we can view the employee and we could just re-employ. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to go to the App Store and you can download RepairSpots and you can start your free 30-day trial. You can also go to our social media and view all the content that we have there to offer. We're always posting updates on new releases and new features. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at info@repairspots.com. Thanks for your time.